we are painting dreams into reality. Introduction: Chokha is a hand painted footwear brand exclusively handcrafted by finest artisans, designed and conceptualized by our founders, that is Jyoti Garg and Barkha Garg is missing in our meeting right now. Okay. Bringing forward the best quality line of handcrafted footwear in the budget option is the reason Chokha stands out. So there you could find so many footwear options and hand painted footwear options now in the market. Why Chokha stands out? What is the reason? Like obviously our designing, our custom made products, our quality is one of the primest reason Chokha stands out, but it also stands out because we are the most reasonable brand. We have priced our products according to the Indian market, how to, what girls, what women are especially looking. Like, that's why we are, that's what it's the reason like Chokai is standing out from most of the hand painting brands present out there. Let's begin with the today's topic, that is celebrating 15 most important occasions of our life. So the very first occasion is very special occasion, and it's my personal favorite occasion. That is self-love. The most important of all love is self-love. Women seldom forget to love and appreciate themselves in all the hustle bustle of their life. Okay, not only women but men also. Like we often forget to love ourselves. Let's not forget to pour our love upon ourselves and value the fact that we are the most important and are required to be loved and pampered throughout the year, no matter what. We deserve our love the most. So we have so many designs regarding this topic in our brand, and we have customized so many designs regarding this. But I selected few pairs which really resemble self-love and how. So even I have the first very first design with me here also, that is self-love. Yeah. So this is the design as you all can see. This is the self-love mule we have, and this was designed last year, and which is a great hit. I think this lady figure is what every woman relates to, and is one of the best seller products of ours. The other designs are like one is Jeete Hain Chal. Jeete Hain Chal means let live. You know, we just worry a lot of about our hair, our nail paint, or whatever, what not in our all our lives. Like we are worrying and worrying and worrying. So this design is basically like a girl sitting out there chilling. It's like Jeete Hain Chal. Let's forget everything and live for a while. Another beautiful design we have is Blossom. Blossom, what does Blossom means? Blossom is we all are flawed. People say we are flawless, we are this, and but we know reality that we are flawed. So Blossom is we are flawed, but we are awesome. Regardless of any flaws, we are awesome. So Blossom. Then baddest babe, you could be a baddest babe. And the last one is I'm a simple woman. Like I'm a simple woman, and we have three pictures over there. Is one of a specs, one of a coffee mug, and one of a paw. Like if you're a pet lover, you specs, and you can customize this design into any emojis or anything you want. So basically, we customize according to colors, according to the designs, according to the patterns, anything you want us to customize for yourself or if you want to gift anything. Second most important occasion of our life is Mother's Day. Mother's Day is the special time of the year when you get to celebrate your first best friend and the person you always turn to when you are in need. Mother's Day is also a great time to shower your love for all the other wonderful women in your life, not necessarily a mother only. It could be mother-in-law or any other mother figure. If you're looking for a way to show your mother, grandmothers, or any other mother figure in your life how special you are, how special you think they are, this lovely footwear is all what you need. Like the Self Nerve, we have customized this design for one of our clients where he wanted to gift something special to his mother on Mother's Day. That is, mother is equals to superhero. So we really believe that our mothers are our superhero. And again, this is just one of the design. You can customize any color, any design, any caption, especially whatever you want to give to your mother. Okay, moving on to our next occasion, of course, is the Father's Day. Father's Day is the perfect time of the year to celebrate the loving and caring men in your life. So we are prepared to help you with the best Father's Day gift for yourself and him, whether it's your dad, uncle, brother, grandpa, anyone who has been a father figure to you. You want to make sure you express your love and gratitude and let them know how much you appreciate all of his priceless advice and unconditional support. So there's a one design in the brown, which is for men. We have one option for men that is men's kolhapuris. It's highly demanded by our customers. So there's a one particular design that you could give to your father, or there are two designs we have recently launched on Father's Day. You could have it for yourself. Like one is my rainbow, like your dad is your rainbow, your colorful men in your life who just fulfill all your wishes and everything. So the joy and the happiness is showed upon in this product. Then there's a second product, as you can see, the middle one is Daddy's strong girl. We all are Daddy's strong girl. We are fighting different battles and we are living up to that. So to honor that, we have made this pair in lavender color, Daddy's strong girl. Moving on to our next very, very special upcoming occasion is Raksha Bandhan or Sister's Day. We have launched so many designs for especially sisters and Raksha Bandhan. Two of them are here. Like one is Troublemaker. Of course, she is the biggest troublemaker. All you guys, we know we are the biggest troublemakers and still you love us, right? And Moody Girl, we are Moody AF. We all know that. So, troublemaker or moody, sisters are there for you through the thick and thin. They laugh with you during the good times and cry with you in the bad times. And sometimes they can make you a little crazy, right? A sister is one of the most important people in your life, so it's vital to show her your care. Make sure you take some time to celebrate your sister and everything she means to you. Again, you can give these pairs to your sister, customize them in any design or even in any pattern if you like, or colorpuris or sliders or mules or anything. You can design. The one very big benefit we have is we customize design in any pattern you love. Like if the troublemaker you're seeing is present in the Judy's form, but you want it in mules, we can customize that in mules as well. Let's move forward to our next occasion, Women's Day. A woman in any form shall be celebrated and honored, be it a sister or a wife or a mother or any other form. A woman is an epitome of beauty, wisdom, and care. She has climbed the mountains and dived into the ocean. She has matched the steps with every man in the world. She is perfectly imperfect. I think the perfectly imperfect title is what belongs to all women and our Chokha women's, Chokha babes, Chokha stars, what we call them, love our perfectly imperfect pair so much. So you can see we have put up a picture in sliders, perfectly imperfect. Though if you'll visit our page or website, you'll find so many variations for perfectly imperfect because we have customized for our clients this particular design into so many forms and colors and everything. Bindas BV we have in the blue color, like obviously Bindas are all BVs are Bindas. Okay, and then in the black, the same design you can see in the black, it's Boss Babe. And then our bestseller throughout the years is the four design present here, Lily. I think this design in sea green color is our bestseller pair till date. Women love this design. So we have selected the design for the Women's Day especially. Let's move forward to another occasion. Now, a special occasion, Festival of Colors is Holi. Definitely, we are going to many Holi parties and we are going to so many other places where we need colorful and quirky footwears to match with our plain simple outfit. So we have three designs over here. One is Chidiya Juti. Second is our again one of the very running designs is this colorful block heel we have recently launched, I guess, in February. The third and the most special design is Kodi Pataka, and I even have the design over here too. show you all. See, most of our footwear looks better in picture, or sorry, better in real than in pictures. Most of the clients used to say this, that your products are far more better in real because you can actually feel them, see them, how colorful and beautiful they are. Again, we can customize these and into any caption, Kudi Pataka or Pataka Kudi or Boss Babe or any caption you want, just anything. Moving on to our next festival. This is a very special festival for all our Hindus, is Diwali. Diwali symbolizes the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. We have handpicked the best collection for celebrating the spirit of festival and to complement you in the best possible way. So we have selected these very special jutis which we have made, and especially the golden mule, which you can just wear on any outfit you want. Any like this will complement you into the best possible way. I even have this over here, like you can see. This is a really cool and a beautiful footwear if you just pair it with any of your uh, attires. It will really go well with everything you have in your closet. Again, we can customize these in any colors you want. Again, next very beautiful festival for our country is Eid. Eid al-Fitr, one of the most auspicious festivals of Muslims that marks the end of the holy month of Ramadan. Devotees across the globe perform special prayer in the morning and wear new clothes and footwear to mark the new beginnings in their life. Pair these beautiful pairs to add charm to your look and be the shining star. One of our very beautiful product is this shell jutis you can see. This is a very simple and an elegant product you could have in your closet to just match with any particular outfit you have. Especially we have a green kolhapuris. Kolhapuris are a star product of Chokha. Everybody just loves our kolhapuris because they are so comfortable. You can wear them all day long and they are so different and quirky. We have this mule, dream mule. All the stars and the sun, sorry, moon is down on your foot. Let's move on to the another festival, shall we? Weddings. Weddings in our country are highly celebrated, and who doesn't want a particular custom-made product for their weddings? So we are here to customize any product for your weddings. Like to begin with, for the haldi and the mehendi ceremony, we have just listed down the four options there. But if you visit our website and page, you'll find many other options, and obviously, again, we can customize. So this is haldi and mehendi ceremony. You will never forget this day, for it is the mark of a new beginning in your life, the start of your streak forever. We have curated some amazing custom-made footwear for you to look your best this day. One is the Banno Kolhapuri, sorry, Juti. Second is Pataka Bride. Third is Kudi Pataka. And fourth is Bride to be. You can customize this in any colors, any captions, anything you want. Let's move on to the main function, that is wedding, the most special day of our life. So our footwear must also be special, right? We make custom-made footwear according to bride and groom's outfit. Here you can see we have listed men's kolhapuris also in two for pictures, like one bride to be and one groom to be. These particular couple chose these footwear for their pre-wedding shoot, and it turned out how beautifully. Then we have Mr. and Mrs. Over here. We made these products for a Maharashtrian couple for their wedding. So you can customize according to your city, your any particular state you are. Like for the Maharashtrian, here you can see that they are a Maharashtrian bride and a Maharashtrian groom. Then again, we have very special pair on our left corner is Banna Banni. These are one of the best seller. Again, not only wedding, this particular footwear you can, match up with any occasion as well, and not particularly on wedding, or you need to be bride or groom for this. Like you can could be anywhere. Many people wear this on Diwali, on certain other functions, or just casually. Then we have bride jutis and pataka dulan jutis. And again, we have one of our signature designs of chokha, that is Odhni. Odhni, you can see Odhni mules we have in magenta, but we have launched these in back in 2015, and still people love our Odhni mules so much that we have customized this on every pattern we have, on every possible color you could think upon. Let's move on to the next festival, Valentine's Day. A most dear festival of the country we have begun celebrating, and I think we all are looking desperately for gifts for a loved one, especially on this particular occasion, or to pamper ourselves. Why not? Give these lovely pairs to your loved ones and let them know how you feel. If you're struggling with what to give, simply choose from the best love pairs for your partner, spouse, friends, family, and more. Love comes in all forms, and these pairs will let you show your appreciation to everyone in your life and how much you love them. Right? Love is not bounded to only just partner. It could be your family, your friend, your sister, your sibling, your anybody. And we have chose one of the very cutest and brightest pairs we have. We have Lovebirds Kolapuris. As you can see, ice blue color birds flowing and the heart flowing all around, and they are carrying love letters. I think it's a very cute, lovey-dovey pair we have. Um, then we have a Pinky Promise mule. I also have this mule over here. See how cute, isn't it? And then obviously you can customize this in any, you know, pattern or color, or we can write anything like we have written a Pinky Promise. I Pinky Promise to honor you forever. So you can just write anything you want us. Then we have our very cute block heels of swan, which resembles, which the swans resembles to love. And then Mickey Minnie, obviously we know the forever in love couple is Mickey Minnie, and these are our bestsellers also. We have Mickey Minnie in Kolhapuris also. Pet day, one of my most favorite day is a pet day. I have a pet, I have a dog, and I dearly love him. And I am sure so many of you, because we get so many custom requests for pets. I have just listed few of the products over here, like the antidepressant, the pug slider, the kitty slider, the panda slider, colapuri, sorry, and the dog slider. Pets make the Pets make for the best friends, are antidepressants, and it's only right that we celebrate them for all the joy and love they've given to us. All you need that perfect pair to show the world the unlimited love you have for your furry friend. So you can even customize particular portraits of your pet, like the green one. We have customized this portrait for a client. She gave the picture of her dog, and we customized this. Somebody's hello. Can you mute yourself? Somebody, yeah, thank you. Yeah. So you can customize any design of your pet. You can give us any of your pet designs, be it your kitty or rabbit or dog, and anybody will customize that also. Or you can choose from our collection. Okay. One very prosperous time of the year is Christmas. Christmas is the season of joy, of gift giving, especially, and of families united. Little snowflakes, my Christmas memories gather and dance, each beautiful, unique, and going to soon. Celebrate the Joyous Festival with our cute pairs. We have a wine lady over here in our Judy's, red wine lady in Judy's form. One very cutesy pair we have is this snowy girl in the Kolhapuris and all the snowflakes around her. And one very elegant pair, and which is one of our again bestseller, is Floral Block Heel, because this pair just rocks on every outfit, and most importantly on any occasion you could wear the song. Unicorns, we believe unicorns are real. So the love for unicorn of this country is unbelievable. We get so many unicorn pairs made each and every day. My God. So people just love unicorn and they just love to be unique. So should we, right? Moving on, baby shower. This is one of the very special occasion for every woman, especially, obviously. And many of the men's, especially because we have so many clientele of men's, especially they come to us, they want something for their wives, their bhabis, their whatnot, and we have customized this baby shower jutis into so many colors. So one I'm presenting over here. So you can customize your baby shower like this is mom to be. We have made a one blue circle and one pink circle because blue represents boy and pink represents girl. Customize your baby shower look, or maybe you'd like to add something special to your baby shower party. No matter what the reason, these pretty baby shower duties will help you craft the perfect message for the baby and mom to be. Get yours in any color you want or order for more custom made designs. We can custom made any designs or portraits or anything just simply you want. Birthdays, the most special occasion for us, especially for me. I love my birthday. I love celebrating my birthday. Whether you are a Kudi Pataka or Bidnath Babe, just celebrate your birthday with sukoon and style and party hard. These are all the names of the footwear listed here. Add fun and glam to your birthday with these unique hand-painted pairs or get a custom-made now. One is Kudi Pataka, second is Bindas Babe, third one is a really special sukoon pair. I love my sukoon time, I love my coffee time. Fourth is a very beautiful block heel we have launched. And the fifth one is the Tulip Mule. And the last is not least is Party Hard. Like, of course, we all are partying hard on our birthdays, right? Let's move on to the next festival. Thank you. So we are here in the end of the different occasions. If anybody who want to ask anything or say anything,
Yeah, so Jyoti, I have one question.
yes,
Yeah, so these are all hand painted, right?
yes, these are all hand painted.
Okay, so
Each
if suppose there is a wedding in my family and I want 100 pieces, uh, how much time would it take?
So
For,
you need to tell us 15 days prior for 100 pairs order, okay? And we can customize according to any color or design you want, or any particular hashtags going around, or whatever design you want. 15 days prior notice is always good for us. An order, when you confirm the order, we'll start making your products.
okay, very nice.
And also, as these are hand painted products, each product takes a lot of time to make. Depending on the designs, it takes usually 2 to 3 hours to make one product.
Okay, excellent. We have Usha here. Usha, are you there?
Hey, yes, I'm here. And I was going to ask a question.
Yeah,
Sure,
please.
sure.
Hey,
Can
I'm
you
just in the morning,
also
so I'm
open,
not starting.
can you also open your video? Yeah. Usha
I just,
Is from Chicago, US, and
Oh,
very good.
hi, Usha.
hello, hello. Yeah. Thank you, Jagatji. And I was going to ask, are these products eco-friendly or
Yeah, so as you can see, our mules and kolhapuris, these are vegan. These are completely vegan products, except for the jutis. Jutis are a leather product.
okay,
The
awesome.
rest are
Thanks.
kolhapuris, our sliders, our mule, our block heels. Each and every product is completely vegan.
Oh, vegan
Okay.
is very interesting. I have never heard vegan footwear. First time I'm hearing. It's amazing. Have you heard any time vegan
No,
food?
never, never.
Amazing.
Vegan food, vegan footwear are really in trend. I think most of the people are shifting toward vegan trend. I think lately. So vegan footwear is their choice. Choice of matlab. So people love vegan footwear, and they especially love they are not wearing anything leather or harming somebody. So I think vegan footwear is the most important product of our Chokha.
Wow. In fact, Kanmani is also there from Canada, from Toronto.
Hi,
Kanmani,
Kanmani.
you can unmute and ask. And Varuni, also from Sri Lanka, you have any comments? So what?
I
Hey,
just have one more question.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
okay.
please.
how do you make them and then you do design, or you just get the basic thing and then you do the design on that?
Yes, we manufacture the product first. Like again, if you see this product, okay, so this is in general is all white. Okay, the upper part is all white, and then we get them. Okay, we get this product made from Ajmer itself, and then we hand paint all of this. First, the basic layer is done, and then the designing is done. Of course, we do designing prior to this. We design everything what we want to make, or if any custom order, we design according to that. But we make these pairs. These are all raw pairs coming to us, and then we design on them.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So Usha and
So
Kanmani,
yeah, sure, sure, sure.
Jyoti is looking for people like you
Oh
in Canada
yeah.
just to represent and be a partner in the countries. Yeah,
All
Kanmani,
right.
Yeah.
question.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Mr. Jagat. I know, like, once again, for the wonderful opportunity he always gives to people and budding entrepreneurs like you, Jyoti. I always look forward, even I was messaging him yesterday, I was looking forward to meet him because he gives, of course, right, lot of vibrancy and then opportunities and
Right.
connecting people, network, which is very
Right.
important, right? And
Right.
thank you so much, Jyoti. It is awesome. Like, I thought, okay, what can one person do on slippers? Because we hardly give importance, right? And then we hardly give importance, and then especially here, like, it's full of winter and snow, probably, you must have one slipper for snow. That's what I was suggesting, because 6 months is full of snow, right? But hats
Right.
off to you, it was so wonderful. And then, I was really amazed. And then when I saw, because I apologize, I really joined few minutes late, so I didn't even get the answer for Mr. Jagat's thing question. He said, like, how long does it take, like, if he's going to order 100 pieces, right? I didn't get that point.
Okay, so for 100 pairs, like if you're
Mm-hmm.
ordering for any particular occasion or and you will give
A
us
particular
particular
occasion.
design.
Particular
Yeah, like
occasion.
sir said he will be ordering for wedding, like 100 pairs if you're ordering for
Mm-hmm.
particular wedding in his family.
Mm-hmm.
So we
Yeah.
said at least we'll need 15 to 20 days because each pair is handmade. It takes 2 to 3 hours. So to make 100 pairs, except from our running orders, will take time
Okay.
and to
Okay.
dispatch them and to reach to your place. Right.
All right. I really love the, but you know what? You will have a lot of business from Valentine's Day point of view, I bet. And also for the baby shower, because it's something
Yeah,
so
yeah.
exciting, right? It can be
Yes.
customized like for a baby shower. If it's a boy, something in blue. If it's a girl, in pink for
Right,
people who
right,
come, right? Exactly. It
right.
was really amazing. And definitely I wanted to, find out how we can take it forward. We'll keep in touch.
Especially and
Okay.
actually, I want to show you one more pair we have customized yesterday only. Like one woman gave her dupatta design to us. She will be
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
wearing on
wow.
Rakhi, and we customized all of these colors according to see. So this was the basic design.
Oh, is
Our
it?
golden
Oh,
mule. Yeah.
okay.
So this was
Okay.
a basic design, and she said, I want all the colors from a dupatta on my footwear. So we
Okay.
designed this.
It's very nice. It's when I think this is the first time in any show, like, so far I've seen, like, so many colorful, like, the slippers, and then for each
We'll keep
occasions
it.
you customize. And then how
Yeah.
about the colors? The colors don't run, right? Like the colors which
Yeah,
you
they are
have for
completely waterproof. Yeah, they are completely
waterproof,
waterproof and durable. Right. These
they're
are all fabric
durable.
paints. Right.
Okay, all right. That was amazing, Jyoti. Thank you so much. Right, and
Thank you,
then we'll take
Kanmani.
forward from here. Good luck and
Sure,
best
sure.
wishes to you. Thank you,
Thank you
Mr.
so
Jagat.
much.
Thanks a lot.
Pleasure, pleasure.
Jyoti, I have a question for you.
Sure.
I'm Manisha.
Hi, Manisha ji.
Yeah, I just wanted to know, since we were talking about colors running and all that, what about the maintenance of the footwear that you mentioned, the vegan one especially? Are they washable, or do we need some? I mean, are they cleanable with
Yeah,
something?
they are. They are.
Because
As they
that
are
is
waterproof.
always a
Yeah.
problem with footwear,
Yes,
that you
yes.
can never thoroughly clean it.
Yeah. They
So,
are so easy to clean because they are made of a vegan leather. So they are,
okay,
you just need a wet cloth or not even, very wet cloth or just slightly rub it over and they will
okay.
clean themselves. So it's
The
very,
inner
very
part
easy
of
to
the
clean all
footwear,
this.
actually. More
Sorry?
importantly, the inner part of the footwear,
Yeah, you
the
can
maintenance of that.
yeah, yeah. I think inner part doesn't require much of a maintenance. Like these are very durable and made of a high quality fox leather. So if you're
Okay.
wearing them, completely right, you don't need much of maintenance of the inner part, okay? Or just for the upper part, for the maintenance and everything, and for the inner part also, you can just slide it over with a wet cloth and you're all good to go.
Okay, that's great. And I must say, it's an amazing idea. I had never thought in my wildest dreams that I would be looking at something like this.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Congratulations for that.
Thank you so much.
And
Manish,
Jagat sir always brings some unique idea to us.
no,
Yes,
Manish,
definitely.
you should work with Jyoti to do something together.
Yeah, surely, surely. I am very much into sustainability marketing, and
Okay.
we should catch up sometime.
Sure,
Definitely.
ma'am. Looking forward, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a question.
Sharma ji
Sorry.
has a question.
Yeah.
Sharma ji was our Consul General of India in UK.
Wow. Hello, Sharma ji.
So do you also make shoes for flat-footed persons?
Not as of now. Sorry.
Why? What is different? What is different?
I think the shape, the flat-footed person, the shape is different. So right now we are not making the special shapes because we are just customizing in terms of the patterns we have and the designs request we get. But if you ask for the flat-footed person, they altogether require a different shape to fit their foot needs, right? So maybe soon, this is a very nice idea I think we have. We can
Hmm,
definitely think upon this.
correct. Yeah, that's a good point because a lot
Yes,
of people may be wanting that type.
yes, definitely. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
We have for big footwear sizes like 43, 44, which are usually not there in the market. So we
Hmm,
usually customize a lot of footwear according to big sizes like 27 centimeters, 28 centimeters. We have made a point like and to some very small sizes also 21 centimeter, 22 centimeters. So I think usually girls come to us, especially in the bigger sizes. They find it very difficult to find footwear, and if the footwear are this quirky and nice, they will definitely want in their bigger sizes. So we have launched the bigger sizes. But definitely we're gonna think about flat-footed person and everybody else. So thank you, Sharma sir, for asking such a question. Yes, there may be a big demand for such footwear. We'll definitely gonna try something like this.
yeah. Giriraj ji, any question you have? Any comments? Yeah, Kanmani, you can unmute.
I just have a quick question
Yeah.
on what is the export market looking like how does it work, like the export market. I'm not too sure like where Jyoti is from, like
I'm
I
from
think I
Ajmer,
missed the
Rajasthan. Yeah,
pardon.
I'm from Ajmer. I'm from Ajmer, Rajasthan, India.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, Rajasthan. I no wonder. Okay, sure. So I just wanted to know how this works. Okay, probably I'll DM you privately to check because like this is going to be for Canada, especially summer, right from May to October is all
Right.
about fun. Is all about so many things like this. Okay, colorful,
Mhm.
vibrant, and all that stuff. Probably we will discuss. I'll personally message you or email you to take it forward. How this exports for you work, correct, the
Sure, we
pricing, and
can.
then yeah, we can
Right.
do.
And even
Yeah.
if you want something in boots or for winters also, because we are a hand painting brand, so we can hand paint anything you want.
Oh,
It's
that's
not only
amazing,
for
is it?
summer. Yeah,
For the
yeah,
winter?
we can.
The
Yes,
winter, like usually what happens is
boots or
when
shoes or
everybody,
something.
yeah, I'm an immigration consultant. So what happens is whenever my students come from India and all that stuff, I always, ask them to not to buy shoes from India because it's always minus 30, minus 40. I tell them, okay, you can come
Right.
to Walmart and get those shoes, right? It is
Okay.
like minus 30 to minus 40. Let me know your thought process
Right.
on that as well. That will be amazing, right? And I can
Sure.
also tell them, like all my students in PR, when they're coming, correct, to chip into Jyoti's stuff before they come. That is also an opportunity for you. And then, because I give them a big checklist once the visa is approved, what are the things they can do and all that. And this may be one of the opportunity you have, Jyoti, for sure. All right. And
Thank
Canada
you,
is the
Kanmani. Looking
preferred
forward.
destination now. Yeah, it's a preferred destination now. I don't know whether Jagat likes it or not when I say that. Canada is the most preferred
Of
destination
course.
now.
Of course. See, Kanmani, I was representing Canada for 9 years in India.
Yes,
Right.
yes,
And
yes.
I always tell everybody that the best country in the world is Canada after India.
Yeah, of course. No, he's right.
We all agree.
I'm,
After India.
yeah, absolutely. I'm an Indian first, and then only I'm a Canadian. Okay, and always tell them I'm a Tamilian, and then only I'm a Canadian. But then a lot of opportunities. Mr. Jagat knows, as he rightly said, lot of conferences, whether it is Vibrant Tamil Nadu or Vibrant Go, whatever he did. There's a lot of B2B people we connect, and then Mr. Jagat, I was so happy, Jyoti, you really had him. He's such a lucky person, and he was just giving you all this, the
I'm
initiative,
so
and then
blessed to be
yeah,
connected with him.
sure,
So
of
blessed.
course, of course, and then
No,
so we
no,
will work on this,
it's her art.
Jimmy.
It's her art. See, that is
Ye-
the art
Yeah,
is important. The art is
yeah.
the point.
He is very good. He was so busy, but in spite of it, he'd get back to people right away. I just wanted 2 minutes to
Yes,
talk about it. Immediate, there's, see, keeping
immediately.
in
Yes,
mind the time zones, right? He has people from all over
right.
the world, time zones. Even now, I had a problem to click the link because you know what? I didn't upload my Google Meet. Immediately, I
Oh,
text him and he sent me the link. That is what very important in a business, and everybody would love to work. And of course, you are
right.
with the golden
There's
goose
so
with
much,
Mr.
so
Jagat.
much to learn from him.
Thank
Like
you.
he is
Yeah,
available
sure.
for every single little
Today
problem
it's
we have.
today
Yeah.
it's Jyoti's day. So yeah.
Yeah, sure. He's a golden goose,
Uh,
like, so it's like very nice, Jyoti. So we will talk about this, even this winter
Sure.
stuff, and also people who are coming in, right, to here. People come as a family, and students come,
in fact,
and then
Kanmani,
yeah.
in your checklist now you should start writing only hand-paid footwear.
Yes, allowed,
Hands and
allowed,
get
only
it.
allowed. Yeah, right. Yeah, handprint, footprints allowed in my checklist for sure. We will do it. And then, as I said, you can see when you do business in Canada, you're doing business with 130 countries. That's always I tell
Right.
my people, because people from 130 countries live here, right? So the reach for your market, for the niche market you
It's
have,
huge.
especially the student market, right? It's going to be boom really good after it. So
Wow.
let's explore the options. And thank you once again.
Sure.
Yeah,
Thanks a
Kanmani,
lot.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Kanmani.
yeah.
in the checklist you write hand-painted footwear, and if you do not have it, customs will not allow entry.
Yeah, exactly. You know what? I'm going to do it. People will ask me what it is, and I can create a market for you. They'll definitely ask me what it is, right?
Thank you, Kanmani.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much,
looking
Jagacha.
forward to
Thanks.
it.
Sure, my pleasure.
Sure.
Thanks.
Have a nice day,
Giriraj,
Kanmani.
Yeah, thank you so much.
welcome.
Thanks.
Yeah, I have a question now. Thanks, Jagat Bhai, for it is such a unique webinar I have come, and thanks Jyoti also for so much of research and development you would have undergone for launching the finished product. Now I have
Thank
a
you,
question:
sir.
be with the dull finish or with the shining finish, and how to maintain that finish? And you need to apply any cream or
No,
something.
you absolutely don't have to do anything to maintain these. These are completely waterproof. And as I have told Abhi earlier to Usha ma'am, to Manisha ma'am, these are very easy to clean. You don't have to put anything. These are not any particular leather product or something. These are already hand painted. So you don't have to maintain them at all. It's just if they are getting dirty, you just take a wet cloth, just wipe it up, and they are all clean and good to go.
And second thing, now base material will be of it will be with leather or some other material, because many of the people in India, because you have dust and temperature is a problem, so you sweat a lot. Matlab. So how is the base material which you are using that?
So base material is a very soft fox leather. Okay,
Okay.
this is a vegan leather. Okay, especially in the mules and the colloquies, etc. These are all vegan leather which absorbs the sweat. So you will not find this problem. Except for the jutis, those are of leather. But still in the jutis, the leather we use double cushion. So there is no sweat problem or for particularly any foot bite or any problem with that also.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Girirajji's sister lives in US, and
Yes.
when I did a mentor on road, she hosted me. It was a wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank
She
you.
is in Chicago.
Yeah, she is.
Jyoti, you have given your number on the last slide, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll mail you the PPT, sir.
You can also
Yeah,
write in the chat. Write in the
I'll get in touch with you, or if you can just give me,
Yeah.
I'll write down.
Yeah, you can write in the
Sure.
chat, Jyoti.
Yes, sir.
Your mobile and email both. Yeah. And Sharmaji asked, where do you make the footwear?
Ajmer itself, sir. We are manufacturing these in Ajmer itself. We are hand painting these in Ajmer itself. Everything is being done in Ajmer only. I have messaged my personal email ID and as well as the company's email ID. You could reach to me personally, and I've given my personal number over here.
Okay. Can you again repeat your personal ID?
Jyoti Garg
Okay.
2690 @gmail.com.
Okay. Definitely, because I'm not traveling. Otherwise, every 3 to 4 years I travel to Ajmer.
Oh, nice, sir.
So anyway, we'll get in touch with you. Yeah?
Sure, sir. Sure. Looking forward. Thank you for joining, sir.
Bina ji had a question. She has raised the hand.
Yeah, Veena ji.
You can unmute and ask Bina ji.
तो ज्योति मैम मैं एक फैशन डिजाइनिंग की लेक्चरर हूँ और मेरे पास कई सारे स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं वो
हम्म।
डिजाइनिंग की एक्सपर्ट्स है। आप फुटवेयर में इतना वर्क कर रही है और आप अपना स्टार्टअप शुरू कर रही है, तो मुझे ये भी लग रहा है कि आपको डिजाइनर्स की आप खुद बना रहे हो या कोई हायर डिजाइनर्स रख रहे हो?
अब अभी तक तो मैम मैं खुद डिजाइन करती हूँ। जितने भी डिजाइन आप चोखा पे देखेंगे वो सब मैंने डिजाइन किए हैं या फिर मेरी सिस्टर फाउंडर जो है बरखा उन्होंने डिजाइन किए हैं। अभी तक हम खुद करते हैं। दो हमको बहुत रिक्वेस्ट आती है डिजाइनर्स की। तो इन फ्यूचर वी आर लुकिंग फॉर डिजाइनर्स। तो जो अच्छे आपके पास ऑप्शंस हैं जो यू कैन वर्क विद अस, वी आर डेफिनेटली वेरी हैप्पी टू हैव देम। सो या
या थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
In fact, friends, it's very interesting because Jyoti's Instagram handle has 30,000 followers. That is very amazing. It is a very, very rarely it happens.
Thank you, sir.
So you are very
It all
popular.
happened. No,
Yeah,
sir, it
and
all.
she has more than 5,000 customers.
Oh, very nice.
So it all happened over the time that on Instagram, I think people are so much into this quirky and handmade products. People especially love handmade and crafted products.
Correct.
There's a huge market for this. People are beginning to understand the labor and the effort goes into that. And especially, as I said in the beginning, that we are very reasonably priced. That's why also women really love us. We are not priced on a rate of 4,000, 5,000 something. We are under 2,000 or 2,500. So people, girls could really afford that, and this is our motto to make art affordable for everyone. So you get a very artistic, quite custom-made product, which really, you feel you're belonging to that product, and in such a reasonable rates. That's why I think we have gained something.
Rajal, you have any comments or questions?
Yes, so Jyoti, this was wonderful because we have so many varieties of footwear, but the footwears which you have shown on your website and on this Footinar, it was amazing. So I
Thank you,
just
thank
want
you,
to go
Rajal.
back to the beginning of journey, and I want to ask that what inspired you to start this business?
Okay, so to begin with, I began in 2014. When there's a concept, it clicked in my mind, and this concept is slightly popular out of India, and I think only a handful of people, or I don't think so, even handful of people know about this concept in India. So I thought, why not to make something? So very honestly, I started it as a hobby, like to see if this works or not, because I have to learn all the process. I was an interior designer. So I didn't know anything about footwear. I've learned everything from scratch and how to do painting on footwear. It was a totally different concept. Like, right? So I've learned everything from scratch and then I've launched this thing, which was dearly loved by my friends and family and everybody around. So that's how our journey began.
That was amazing because you have so many varieties, and whatever is there in our mind, you can put it in footwear.
Sure.
So that was amazing thing. I will surely get in touch with you.
Sure,
Yeah.
Rajal. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, JK sir. You're doing a great job of making in India. Yes, sir, we are, and we are very proud of that. We are making in India, and we are even so proud that we are making it all locally. So, yeah, we are proud that we are making in India. Anybody else have any questions? So, okay, let's conclude today's Footinar. I'm really, really thankful to all of you who have joined, who have given their precious time to me and our brand Chokha. So we are in the end. I would like to say that we are looking for various distributors and partners in all the cities of India and abroad. If you are interested, message me or email me or get in touch with me, and we'll take it forward. Thank you to each one of you. Stay safe, stay
May I ask one
healthy.
question, madam?
Sure, sir, sure.
What is the investment you expect from a distributor?
I have not yet decided on that, sir. We could definitely talk about it and take it ahead.
Right, right.
I think
So
there is.
you are currently selling in Rajasthan or all over India, or
All over India, all over world, sir.
I see. Okay, very good.
Thank you, sir.
Great job. Great job.
Thank you so much.
Sharma
And
ji,
thanks Jagat Bhai for highlighting it. Yeah.
pleasure. Sharma ji, I'll connect you to her because you can start. I mean, there is not much investment required. It can be started at any level. So because
Yeah.
this is customized. So this is customized. So it is based on orders.
Yes, yes.
So there is a method. So it's a very
Yes.
interesting. I will connect you to her, and we will do.
And what is your how many pairs do you produce? Do you have a specific target per month, madam, or just depending
It's a
upon the
order
demand?
based. It's upon the demand. As soon as we get order, we make it. Then we don't stock anything or we don't pre-make anything. So it's all on the orders and the demand we get.
I am sure you will give a good competition to those Patiala guys and the Kolhapur guys.
Sure, sir. I hope so.
These are two very famous places
Yeah.
for footwear. Yeah.
Shweta is from Kolhapur. Shweta here is from Kolhapur.
Yeah.
Shweta, you want to say something?
Yeah, this is Shweta. I'm from
Hi,
Kolhapur.
Shweta. Hi.
Shweta
Hi,
is also a
Shweta.
business person and she runs an electrical business in
Oh,
Kolhapur.
nice.
And in fact, I don't know how many of you know, but our Home Minister Amit Shah's Sasural is Kolhapur.
Oh, wow. So, anybody else have any question or something? Rajul, thank you for organizing this session. Looking forward for more Footinars. So are we. Thank you so much, Rajul. Thank you everyone for joining. It was a really, really wonderful Footinar I had.
Thank you, everyone. Yeah.
Thank you, Jyoti. We enjoyed it
Thank
very
you,
much.
ma'am.
Thank
you very
ma'am.
much.
Bye,
Thank you.
Tanmay.
Thank you, Jyoti. It was really
Yeah.
creative and amazing.
Thank you.
Something
Thank
different.
you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.